Hi, today we figured out the film by name The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. In that film, we try to solve the main mistakes which our character did and so how run out of that problems for sure. Okay, now we start. Film begins with this scene. Yeah, getting enjoy my friend. Especially if you whatever eating. Oh, and look at this. Very important moment for us, isn't? Okay, actually just group people riding at the road and they are conversation about people and animal. I mean, how is bad that human kills animals for reason so just eat it? Exactly for food, yeah.
Kill animals for food.
Well, they don't do it like that anymore.
And yeah, I agree with that. Because I am vegetarian. But not a long time ago I not was him. Okay. Okay, it don't matter, because Leia sees a strange man at the road. And our characters decide take him, so help him. But he really strange, because he did say that he is killer. Yeah.
Better that way. How come? I thought the gun was better. Oh, no. New way people put out of jobs. You do that? I was the killer. Damn.
Let me see him.
And he begin tell our group so how he did scrape all the flesh away from the bone. But I don't know, it a creepy moment, but it's a moment just making me funny. He is a freak. Yeah.
Don't do it to yourself.
Yeah, very good man. It's just a toy. It's not really a blood, so just don't worry. Oh, he is photographer.
Take me to my house. I live right off this road.
Okay, now we did know that freak have a home. Yeah, and this home not far from here. Okay, I understand. Remember this moment, guys.
It's a nice picture. You can pay me now. Huh? $2.
Oh, okay. Okay, in main, our group needs just take him $2 and say him that. Listen, man, we want to stop here and out, about for maybe 1 hour, so just breathe clear air, if you understand. And after this scene, where he out this bus, them should just to sit in the bus and sharp get out of here, without him of course. Yeah, I told you guys. He is funny. Very funny. Oh, okay. It be a lesson for them. I mean, don't shoot pick up the other people, exactly people which you don't know, and especially in 1970s. Yeah. Oh, beginning the problems. Them needs a gas for that bus. But in the gas station, not have a gas. Yeah, it's strange. Okay, but it strange because just look at him and look at the gas station. Okay. Them did should take a gas in the bottle or something because they riding at the road where around only forest and strange people like our funny guy. Okay, so they decided stay here, not far from that house. And it huge mistake, because if you remember, that good man did say them
Take me to my house. I live right off this road.
that his house don't far of here, and about where road they end. Yeah, I think it not good place for stop this here. Oh, dude, getting relaxed. I don't understand. What is it? Oh, well, I understand right now. I remember that stuff from game. Yeah, from game, which was done by that movie. Dude, don't come in. We already saw this moment from another film. By named Phenomena 1984, if you remember. So, rule is 1. Don't come in house which you don't know, or it house in the strange forest. You very stupid man, you not got answer and decided coming in that house. And also, he heard whatever strange yelling, like a pig scream. Yeah, he deserved it, because not needs coming house which you don't know. Also saw in the forest, of course. Oh, I think it's not a toy, and she need to leave her friend. And just get out of here. And tell it to friends. And to read it together, try teaching him. But it's only my opinion, of course. She not do it. And the maniac just take her, and I don't know how it describe. Just look at this moment.
I bet it's about me.
He's gonna kill you, Franklin.
Oh, he just best friend. So cute.
Kirk! Are you guys in there?
Oh, this moment really scared me. Music too. Okay, here he not have a chance. I mean beat that maniac or just run out of here because he used the unspect moment. Loud, guys, loud. Okay, I won't figure it out that moment. I think them did should just go out of here at the road and try and take the another car or just call the police or something because friends not did can just leave them or just lost in here. Yeah, so something wrong. I mean, already was something wrong.
There's a light.
Yeah?
The house.
Yeah, I can't see it very well. I hear something. Stop. Stop.
Fuck, fuck, very creepy moment. Oof, poor dude. She not run out from man with use the massacre? It's stupid. Okay, but it's not impossible. Really, it's not impossible. Jesus Christ, just run. Don't take attention on the stick. It's not good idea for you. Come on, you run from the killer in the forest. It's exactly not normal home. Believe me, it exactly not normal home with good people. Just run. Just run. This maniac not running for you in a long time because he just will tired with that massacre. Oh, hit only my position, but I think he not can help you. When I thought about not taking attention at these sticks, I not mean lost attention at this fucking forest. Yeah, actress very good did her work. Seriously, actress very good did her work. Emotion like what it real happened.
gonna hurt you. Little coon shit.
Oh, I get it. I get it. Hitman is a leader. These freak groups. Fuck, it is really a scary atmosphere. Look at this. Just look at this scene. He just like a typical father. It it moment did me funny. Now I understand why that film so popular and considered icon of the horrors. Just I'm watching this movie and really feel is scary and terrible. Just here have a very terrible atmosphere. He is alive? Oh, he won't just die. Or blood. Or blood. Yeah. It's very same.
Shut up, you bitch hog.
Oh, Jesus Christ! He got just run out of here! Ooh, yeah! I already thought that she not do it. Fuck! Just get up and run! Run into the road! Or something. Or something. I think you need to run a little as faster. If you understand, of course. Oh, it was cool a moment. He just did right him. Dude, of course I'm not professional, but I think you need use window for that. But of course, I'm not professional in that field. While they just didn't get out of here, I mean right out of here, while this Leatherface do something with that a door. Stop yelling, you already started it me nervous. Okay guys, it over. Yeah, film ending at this moment. I mean in popular Leatherface dance. Phew, okay, film very scary and very cool for 1974. But our main characters really is stupid, because this killers is very stupid too. They did many mistakes, and in some the moments our characters did what can run out from these killers. Okay, on this moment we do end. Thank you for your watching.